Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're underneath the car, so I'm do something quick real fast for you. We're replacing the cam position sensor on a 2015 Acura MDX SHAWD. So this was kind of difficult for me to figure out because it's all-wheel drive, and most of the sites, they don't show where it is. So we're underneath the car on the passenger side. That little black cover is where it is. So the access to it, I've already taken it apart to get to where I need to get to kind of show you what you need to do. So, okay, focus. Yep, one screw there, and once it's here. Let it focus. Okay. So once you take those two screws out, kind of like this. Like I said, it's already loose, so this little cover comes off like that. And underneath is your sensor. I've already unplugged it. Can't really see it. Okay, there we go. So right there, and then push your little clip. Come on, let's focus. Push a little clip to release it from the back of this, which is a 10mm bolt. Once you take those bolts out and get everything set up, there we go. It's gonna be difficult to come out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Kind of twist on it a little bit, and it pops out. And there's your sensor. Once you pull it out, you're gonna reinstall a new one, and you should be good to go. And a little information on the whole situation where it is now. Got a fault saying that it was the cam position sensor on my Autel computer. Once I did that, I had to track down where the sensor was located, and that's where it sits. So if you have any other questions, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can to help you out with any questions or concerns that you might have on your own. Also, too, I am an Amazon affiliate. Be sure to check my items down in the description, and you might be able to find some tools that you could use. All right, until next time.